Let's have a look at question 7. This is also practice 1. It's page 287. In a right-angled triangle, one of the perpendicular sides is 2 centimeters longer than the other. The hypotenuse is more than twice the length of the shortest side. Determine the possible lengths for the shortest side. Alright, so let's construct a triangle here. Okay, so what the question says is the hypotenuse is more than twice the length of the shortest side. So let's call the shortest side x. So this must be greater than 2x because it's more than twice the length of the shortest side. It says here one of the perpendicular sides is 2 centimeters longer than the other, so we'll call this as x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay. Now we'll set up a Pythagoras equation here. Okay, so we're going to say that x plus 2 all squared plus x squared is less than 2x squared, because they said here that the hypotenuse is more than twice the length. So that's got to be more than that, because when this term is more than twice that term, then it's even going to be bigger than when you square that and that. Okay, let's tidy it up a bit. We've got 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 is less than 4x squared. Equate one side to 0. Got 4x squared minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 4. 0. Okay, so we got that. And we use our calculator to find the roots of that. And the roots of that are... The roots of that equation on the right is x equals minus 0.732 and 2.73. Okay, so this graph here represents those 2 points. They're the roots of that function. Now when that function is greater than 0, you can see that that point is 2.73. So it's where x is greater than 2.73. Now we can ignore the negative because we're talking about x has got to be greater than 0 for that to be a triangle. So we're ignoring that. And then we're just looking at quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So where the function there is greater than 0, it's from this point onwards. So the solution is x has to be greater than 2.73 centimeters. Now we should check that. Why don't we put something that's greater than 2.73 in here? We put a 3 in here. Let's check. So we're saying that 0 to, okay, we're just checking for 3. Now this should be true. And we've got that 0 is greater than, that's 18 minus 12 minus 4, 2. Well, that's true. Okay, that's for x equals 3. Let's have a look at for x equals 2. Less than 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 4. Okay, so that's 8. Minus 8 minus 4. 0 is less than minus 4. And that's not true, as we expected. So the solution is